Good morning everyone. So today I am going to review another pressure cooker, that is Pigeon pressure cooker. So when I bought this pressure cooker, this is a very nice combo. Actually, one lid. This is one single lid for two pressure cooker. So this is a 3.5 liter pressure pan, actually induction based. Here you can see that, and the year of manufacturing has been also written 2013 June, and I have bought it in 2013 September. So 7 years 7 years I am using it. So this is pressure pan and this is 5 liter pressure cooker. So here you can see that this is 5 liter pressure cooker. So this is also Pigeon make with single common lid. So two pressure cooker with single common lid. So I am going to review this Pigeon pressure cooker. Here I am showing that this is the weight valve and this is the gasket. So I want to say that after using more than 7 years of regular use, I can say that this is very good pressure cooker. First of all, this is a very good pressure cooker. This is very hardy pressure cooker, and here you can see that I have till after 7 years of proper use, the gasket is intact. Pigeon is written in the gasket, and I have not changed the gasket yet. Though the gasket is compatible with Prestige gasket, but I have not changed it as because gasket is working as new. So gasket quality is very good. Weight valve is totally intact and it is working very nicely, and the total cooker body is very good. Though it was used very rigorously and roughly, as because when I bought this pressure cooker, at that time I was a student, and it was bought for mess use. So many students handle this pressure cooker very badly. So after very bad use, very bad use, the pressure cooker is still with me. Now I am a family man, but till the pressure cooker is with me. And here you can see that the handle are intact. I have not changed the handle. So in fact that auxiliary side handle is also there. So you can understand that how good the pressure cooker, how good the build, that after very rigorous and very bad handling, the cooker is intact. So and the base is very good, and induction based pressure cooker, and induction base is also very good. So here you can see that. So with that, I would like to say that you can buy Pigeon, and I can say that Prestige is good company, but Pigeon is also good company. And this is Pigeon Calida model, induction based Calida model, Calida Deluxe. Actually the name of the model is Pigeon Calida Deluxe, and this combination is also found in Amazon also. So I would give you the link of the Amazon in the description box. So if you want to buy, you can buy it. Today, or as of now, as I can remember, the price is this combo, this single lid and 3.5 liter pan and 5 liter pressure cooker combo, is price is 1800 rupees, 1800 nearly. So I have bought it in rupees 1100, so in 2013. So it's a very good cooker, so you can have it. And but one thing I would like to say that I have changed the safety valve only, as because of regular maintenance. I have changed the safety valve with Prestige safety valve, and here you can see that the Pigeon is written. With all that, I want to say that this is a very good cooker, and you have low budget, then you can go for this combo. So this is a very good cooker, and cooking is also very fast, and the whistle sound is very good, very smooth sound, not very loud sound, but very smooth sound, and it's very good. It's very good, so you can have it. So with that, I'm closing this review. So this is a very good cooker. You can have it. you can get it, and you can use it, and it's better than Prestige, I can say that, and heavier than Prestige. The body is heavier than Prestige. Body is also, I have also Prestige Junior pressure pen. This is also Pigeon Junior pressure pen. So Pigeon Junior pressure pen is heavier than the Prestige Junior pressure pen. After some time I would give the Prestige Junior pressure pen review, which I am using last 4 years. The Prestige pen is good, but Pigeon pen is not bad, is also good, and I think it's better than Prestige. So with that, I am closing this review. Take care. This COVID situation is still there, so please try to maintain all the COVID protocols, and stay healthy and safe. Bye bye.